Welcome to the Saber Factory.
Hello there, my name is Kevin here at thesaberfactory.com, and continuing with the first steps of owning and discovering your lightsaber, we're now going to turn our lightsaber on after we've inserted the blade, after we've charged it. Now you only use it. This is rather simple if you've watched my first video, so if you didn't, go watch it. The first video will help you understand the difference between the different type of cores. When you have a visible button and charging port on the hilt, makes it very easy. It is absolutely obvious. I just press it here and it works. But when you have a replica lightsaber, you might not necessarily, understand at first, if you're not too familiar like with lightsaber designs in Star Wars, etc. Where's the button? Well, Qui-Gon, you know where it is. It's pretty obvious here, but some sabers you never really know. Is it in the control box section here? Is it here? Actually, depending on the Anakin lightsaber, it might be here or it might be here. So yeah, this video will, of course, help you defining where your function button is if you have a custom design or a replica. If you have a dueling hilt, it's very easy. It is here. So here I've charged my lightsaber. I've inserted my blade. I do a long press on the button. It turns on, and now I'm able to turn the blade on, etc., etc. To get an understanding of all the functions that your saber comes with, depending on the board you have, a Xenos 3 or Prophy, or maybe a Golden Harvest or something that we might have on catalog now or in the future, always refer to your user manual. Go back to our website if you have a doubt or if you've lost it, and if you have a question, go to the support chat, and I'll gladly answer your questions. But here you have your function button, pretty easy to find. Now let's go to a replica saber. So back here, I'm back again here with my Qui-Gon lightsaber. The function button, basically on any replica saber, you've seen in the first video that the core, the electronics module, is in the bottom half of the saber in 95% of cases. This means the electronics are here. If it's a slide-out core, then there is a matrix in the middle that basically translates the signal into whatever type of saber you chose. So either a baselit or a NeoPixel blade. And so this conversion module, this sort of like central core hub, is sort of like in the top half of your saber. This is where you will find your button in most cases. So here it is underneath this red button greebly, as it should be. It is screen accurate. On other sabers here, again, this is the switch on Ezra's saber. It is here. You see top half part of the saber. On some other sabers, like Dooku's, it might be located differently. As we've seen in the first video, this one has a different type of core structure. So the button is actually here. So it is actually the bottom half section of the saber, etc., etc. So there may be exceptions, but those are very rare. If you have a doubt, come ask in the chat. But for 90% of the sabers that do not have a visible core function button, the button is hidden somewhere on the hilt in the top half part. You just simply have to find it. It's as easy as that. Nothing too complex. If you have any sort of doubt, come to the support chat and I will help you. Once you've located this button on a Prophy board, you will simply need to press it to wake it up. That's it. On a Golden Harvest, you'll need to press it once to take it out of sleep mode again, and then you press it, it turns on. On a Xenos 3, you will need to do a long press.
Power on.
And now it powers on. I will again leave it to you to watch the first videos about the power switch, and also your user manual has all of the shortcuts and all of the detailed functions that you can access through using your button, and also the motion controls, etc. And I have detailed videos on the YouTube channel also. So now you're ready to dive deeper in the use of your saber. So I'll see you in the next video. May the force be with you.